I am Jesse Clayton, the technology specialist in the Learning Commons. I will be discussing printing. The printers are available in the Learning Commons and library for printing, scanning, and photocopying. If you need to print in color, you can retrieve your print job from the library's second floor. All students receive a $4 credit per semester. The free credit does not roll over from one semester to the next. If you don't use it, it will be gone. However, funds added will roll over from one semester to the next. Students can print from their home computer, laptop, USB, or the TSC computers. Printing costs. Black and white, single-sided, is 5 cents per page. Double-sided is 8 cents per page. Color, single-sided, is 20 cents per page. Double-sided is 30 cents per page. To add funds to your account, sign into PaperCut with your TSC credentials, that is your TSC email and password. To the far left, click Redeem Card. Enter the voucher number that you purchased from the bookstore. The second way to add funds, click Add Credit, use your Visa or debit card, click the amount to add. In the drop-down, select the amount you want. The third way is there's a money machine located on the library's second floor. You will need to sign in with your TSC credentials, that is your TSC email and password. Then insert the cash. Web print. Sign into Eagle Print with your TSC credentials, that is your TSC email and password. Select Submit a Job. Select black and white or color printer, single-sided or double-sided. Select your print options and your number of copies. Upload your document. Once you have found your document, select Upload and Complete. When the document is ready, it will be held in the queue. Retrieve your print job from the printer in the Learning Commons or library. If you have any questions, please contact Jesse Clayton, the technology specialist. He is located in the Learning Commons, LC 1666. His phone number is 850-201-8267. His email address is his first and last name, jesse.clayton@tsc.fl.edu.